be talking about how to activate your hamstrings and glutes. Maximum activation. Bum muscles and hamstrings, right? The hip hinge is really important for you to actually connect to these muscles here properly. The hamstring tight and the glutes. So a lot of women, I know that appeals to you, but also the same goes for guys as well. Most people I train have weak hamstrings and glutes, okay? So, I'm gonna show you the hip hinge using the bar. So deadlifts is one of my favorite exercises. You just come around to the side, mate, there, that'd be good, thanks. So, for the deadlifts, okay, the best way to practice is keep the knees nice and soft, okay? Go shoulder width with your stance, so your feet are kind of shoulder width. And what I mean by the hip hinge is tilting from your hips. Okay, so this movement is paramount, really important for you to actually get that maximum activation. So, shoulders back and push your bum right out, right? So you're tilting from the hips, okay? And that is how you're going to really activate those hamstrings and bum muscles. So it's pretty simple, right? Instead of a lot of people squatting down when they're doing a deadlift or a good morning, okay? Tilt from the hips, so shoulders back, first shoulders, and then tilt forward from the hips, keep your chin tucked in, and then extend up and tense your bum muscles. So, a deadlift would be more like this, sumo deadlift. Okay, if I'm picking the bar up from the ground, imagine that bar is up on the ground now, with a plate on each side, okay? Bum in the air, a bit higher than you would normally, so don't squat, start with your bum up in the air, shoulders back, stand up, and tense the bum muscles. So you see how I'm tilting from the hips instead of squatting too much, and then drive it up. Same goes for good mornings. Rest that bar. This is one of my favorite exercises for the hamstrings, glutes, back muscles. Feet shoulder width, exactly the same movement. Knees soft, okay? Push your bum back as far as you possibly can, so you're getting your chest in line with your knees. Okay, so from here, push the hips right back, so the chest is kind of in line with your knees. Drive up, tense the bum muscles.